Hey, what's going on? My name is Frank John, Janitorial Coach and Hub. And today I want to talk about the number 3 mistake, costly mistake that cleaning business owners make. And that is not having or not taking your looks and how you present yourself seriously. This is super critical. And I think a part of that reason comes from this notion that the cleaning business, it's not a business where we care about stuff like that, where we care about our looks, our presentation, how clients may look at us. Let me tell you, the fact is, there are some people who are losing out on big contracts, whatever, contracts in general, because of how they look, their presentation. How do you show up to a bid with just shorts and some raggedy looking jeans, and you just don't look professional? And the concept of professionalism applies to our industry. There are many big and important people in the industry, and they're looking at you. Even at the small level, when you're showing up to a bid, making sure that your car is clean, because you're a cleaning company. Your car should look decent, it should look clean. You show up, you are not dressed for the occasion, you're wearing shorts and stuff like that. And I know some people will downplay it, but you don't know the person that is giving out the contract. You don't know what their impression and what their concept of professionalism really is. So you walk in there and it's like, wow, this person showed up for a professional event, looking like he's about to go hoop in the summertime. How do you expect to get a contract like that? The other reason is because historically people have just focused on the cleaning aspect. It's like cleaning is just mopping and sweeping, and no, it's not that. It's a business, and I've already talked about the business aspect of cleaning. So making sure that you have the right, you present yourself well is super critical. It can make a difference between getting a contract and not getting a contract, because the people giving out the contract, they know you can clean. That's why they invited you to come and bid. But then you showed up looking like you're about to go hoop in the summertime, and then I show up with a suit and a tie, or I show up in a nice polo, some nice slacks, some nice shoes. Who do you think they're gonna give the job to? Maybe you can clean better than me, but they don't know that. I showed up looking serious. So cleaning business owners, don't make this mistake of thinking that the impression, your looks does not count. Make sure you're dressed well, shave. Make sure if you don't shave, just make sure you're well put together. Because I don't want to say people should shave and stuff like that. It's different for everybody, but just make sure that you present yourself well. Another thing, speak well. Just because you own a cleaning business does not mean that you are not intelligent. We are a bunch of intelligent people. Speak well. Make sure that your clients know that you can hold an intelligent conversation, because their impression of you will determine how they treat you. It will even determine how much they want to pay you. Anyway, let me know if this was helpful. But before you go, make sure you subscribe to this page, our WhatsApp page. Go on our Instagram. Everything is in the bottom there. You can see it. Share, like, and let me know what you think about this particular point. Don't make this costly mistake, because I want to see you do well. Come and build, grow, and establish with us by following our page. See you.